Hi, and welcome to another Type with me. In this week's episode, I want to talk about Chrome DevTools CSS Overview. Very great tool to give you a little bit of an overview what CSS styles that are being used within a website. Alright, so how do you need to access it? Well, you can very easily access CSS Overview by go to Inspect, then go to the three dotted symbol right here, then you go to More Tools, then you get CSS Overview, right? If we then go to something like JavaScript.com, which is just a website about JavaScript, right? Then you do Capture Overview, it will process everything, and then you will find a great overview on they are using so much elements, so much external style sheets, inline style elements, style rules, media queries, and so on. I think it's very useful. You can also see how many ID selectors there are in the CSS and how many class selectors there are. Of course, one of the things that's also very nice to use is the colors and the color schemes, because of course we want to know a little bit more about what it is. And if you click on it, you see which elements have that color, or I click on this one, you see these kind of elements. If you go over it, you will see there that is the element that gets the color. Same with background colors and so on. So in my opinion, very useful tool to help you along with it. Like I said, here show element, and it shows the element, right? Get font info also there. If you want to find out the occurrences on it, you can click on it and it will tell you where these font sizes are being applied to. Unused declarations. So you see here that we have 24 occurrences that are unused declarations. And then you have here your media queries, where you can also access the media queries and see where they are. Maybe click on them, right? And then you go here and you get the line where they are being described to, right? So I'm going back to CSS Overview. If I go back to media queries, you get back to that overview. You will see here something like this symbol, and that's because it's a preview feature, right? So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're gonna use it. I recommend you to play along with this new feature. I think if you are writing websites and you also need to style your website correctly, this is a very great tool to do so. You don't need to install color pickers anymore. You just can use CSS Overview and you get the colors of a website directly for free with this tool. So please use it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like what I'm giving to you every week, well, please subscribe to my channel and you will get more content like this, or in that same kind of context, right? So thank you very much and see you next time.